finna get into some trading. Gonna try to get my setup here a little clean, real quickly, like so y'all can see everything. How it's supposed to be seen. Hold on. Boop. There we go. Don't ask me why I'm not in my office. It's because my son is sleeping there, and I don't feel like disturbing him on this wonderful morning we have here. I'd rather us all keep our sanity with my son sleep, and he's sleeping good right now. I ain't gonna lie. So we gonna let him sleep. There's not much going on. It's Friday. There shouldn't be too much trading going on, but I did actually find you as DJ. There's USD JPY setup that I like off of this level. We've gotten a little bit of good USD data this week. I mean, it's been mixed, but it's been good, and it's given the Fed like more time to cut. Like it hasn't made interest rates like urgent or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, dollar can price a little bit higher. And let's actually go look at straight up DXY real quick. Yeah, it has room to come test out this this swing high here, and it is in line with our overall trend line here for it to go a little bit higher. So not at all mad at seeing the USD JPY setup the way it is. This laptop's being a little bit slow. I might switch over to my other laptop. We'll see here in a second. Go back over there. Let's see. Are we getting USD JPY? Let me refresh this. See if we're actually getting a read on the edge finder for UJ. NZD JPY getting a slight reading. EUR JPY getting a slight reading. USD JPY is on the neutral side. It was on the bear side, so like last time I looked at it, so it being on the neutral side now is, slightly bullish. You know what I'm saying? But it's a very, very small risk. How many pips is that? 20, 30. That was 20. About 30 pips. Not a super huge stop loss, but this area has some conviction with with this prior candles hitting it and leaving, and then creating a sort of a BB support there. If let me pull this up here and see if there is. I already have that up. That laptop's moving a little slow right now. I'm not gonna fool with the RSI, but seeing it over here on my other screen, it's not going against us from that perspective. From a relative strength perspective. Getting some notifications. But for anybody looking for Friday, Sparrow Funding has some very reasonably priced evaluations. You can do a 5K two-step eval for only $20 with code switched. With promo code switched, you can do a 5K eval for only $20. And if you want to go straight to instant funding, well, you must got it like that. All right, chat. But let me go over here just to kind of see about. Yeah, that was days ago. Okay, not much. BOE came out. Oh no. Yeah, he just spoke. See what he said. Not much to read into there. But I want to see, did GBP JPY move? Like, did the candle come out crazy off of that? I want to see what the reaction was. Oof. Well, it was very reactionary from the market, as you can see. Get my clips. Well, I mean, shoot. Let me go see. Is it? We getting any kind of? I know we were getting a few JPY pairs. EUR JPY, NZD JPY, but not GBP JPY. Let's go look at EUR JPY. I like to look at the stronger, current pairs. And I know NZD and EUR are on the stronger side anyway. What's in the world? Oh, that was the last time we traded EJ. Just to give you a little bit of a visual of what happens when I hop on EUR JPY, you know? And I don't trade it in a multitude of ways. I mean, like, I like this entry just about as much as I like that last entry. I mean, where it is now, it has gotten very ever so slightly up under this middle band of my Bollingers, but like that hasn't stopped it before. And you know, we're getting a decently bullish reading. This is on our daily time frame. Let's come down to our hourly and take a closer look at it, though. EUR JPY always, I mean, I won't say always, but it trades pretty clean a lot of the time. And apologies about my loud AC in the background. Like I had said at the beginning of the stream, my son is asleep in the other room, so I can't go record in my office like I usually do, because he's just sleeping a little bit too good this morning. And he's like, you know what? I might as well get all this work in while I can. So, okay, it pulling back to this level here, like this is the level. I don't hate it, chat. Now, of course, I don't like getting into new trades on Friday, so I'm just gonna mark this up, and it'll be more so of a Tuesday kind of thing, because we got MLK. We got MLK Day on Monday, so markets will be closed. Okay. So, like, from a fib standpoint, I don't love where it's at, right? So I'm thinking, well, hold on, because not every short term is the way. This is the push up from what I had got originally that made me get this entry, and we're really still dumped off of that. So let me see where we're at, because institutions trade on the 4 hour and the daily. So let me see where we're at from that standpoint. Not bad. Not bad. I mean, like, it's like we low key recovered from where price should have like given us a failure if it was gonna fail, right? So the overall bias from a technical and fundamental standpoint is up, still up on EUR JPY. It's just a matter of finding our entry, and it would probably be best. See, this level here. I think we break this low one more time. I like that level. We break this level one more. We get another low in there, and I think we're good to the upside. Again, this is not financial advice. You guys need to trade safely, trade smart. Um, don't over risk, don't over leverage, and please stop over trading. Stop trading gold on Fridays, folks. It's not the time. Um, and I will with this entry, I'll only risk this swing low here for real. Yeah, and pull that over here so y'all can actually see it better. Yeah. Any any breaking slight lower from where we're at, I'll take as an EUR JPY buying opportunity. And if I know my tools, the bird's eye tool is probably giving up some sort of slight bullish momentum reading right now. Let's go take a look at the bird's eye tool right now and just see. I'm gonna go here, type in EURJPY. And for folks watching the replay, I'm gonna put the link in this to the description. I forgot to put it in preemptively. But I mean, all you have to do is go in any URL search box and type in thebird'seyetool.com. Again, thebird'seyetool.com. Real simple, real easy. And this is free. You guys don't have to like sign up or anything like that. Do I plan on doing something, another challenge for Spellfun? Yeah, so every month, actually, every single month, we're doing competitions. So you can enter every month for a chance at a free funded account. So if you didn't get a chance to get in early on the competition that's going on right now, don't worry, because the Heart of a Trader competition I'm gonna be announcing pretty soon. That's like our Valentine's Day situation that we got going on. So we're gonna do. I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, don't quote me on this. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a 10K funded account giveaway. Now we are doing an email sweepstakes right now going on until February 14th, where you just enter your email and you're entered into the sweepstakes. So all you have to do is go into the description. Actually, just drop your email in any comment on any video, and it saves on here, so you'll be automatically entered. Our admin team is really good at grabbing all of the emails from all of the social media accounts and everything that we have, and getting everything sent out. Also, our free course, completely free course, is being so the course that was $500 is being released for free for about like 1,000 people. So all you have to do is drop your email for that as well. All you gotta do is be like, let me get the course. Drop your email, and that'll get sent to your inbox this evening. We're gonna do a super huge email blast and send that out to everybody, so folks can get their hands on the right tools to be successful in this thing we call day trading. But I just wanted to kind of really do a end of the week wrap up live session, and then I just happened to find this cool trade here. But there's always some value, to be found. But the free chat link is in the description of all the YouTube videos. Actually, I have to go back and change, because we changed the name of the free chat, and that changed the link of it. So, but before the end of today, I'll have the most recent videos updated with that link. So, if you start checking out the channel, going through some stuff, just know the new link to our free community chat will be updated in all the right places. I didn't plan on being on for that long, but if there's any like specific questions anybody has, I'll stay on for a few minutes to answer those. But there is nobody currently in the chat, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream on that. I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. If you're watching the replay, make sure you go through the whole channel, go through all of the informational videos on how to trade well and mindset and all that, because you can learn for free, and we're providing all the free tools to do so. All right. Again, I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.